Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create an API to get orders for an admin in our Node.js application. So let's get started. As you can see, an admin package inside the services. Let me copy the file from customer package that we have for the service. Let me add inside the admin package. So on the top, we have the import of order and the user schema. So let me remove this import. After that, I'm going to remove this function that we have, place an order. As you can see, a function that we have, get orders by user. So first, I'm going to update the function name that we have, get orders. So it will be a async function. Let me remove this user ID. Now inside this function, we have to get orders, where we have a order status, list. Let me remove this parameter. After getting the orders, we have to check the length. If length less than 0, then we have to run the response where we have a status 404 with the message orders not found. After validating it, we have to run the response where we have a status 200 with the data orders. Let me export the function that we have, get orders. Now after that, I'm going to setting up a order controller for admin. So let me copy this. Let me paste inside the admin package. So on the top, I'm going to import an order service of the admin. From this service, let me import the function that we have, get orders. After importing it, let me remove this. Now as you can see, a function that we have, fetch orders by user. Let me update the function name that we have, fetch orders. So it will be a async function. Inside the argument, it has callback parameters, request and response. Inside this function, we have a try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of API failing, where we have to return the error with the status 500 and the error message in the form of a JSON. Now inside the try block, let me remove this line. Now here I'm going to call the function from order service that we have, get orders. We are saving the method response into this variable that we have, response. After getting it, we have to run the response where we have a status and the orders in the form of a JSON. Now we have to export this function. Now after that, let me set up order route for an admin. Let me paste inside the admin package. So on the top, I'm going to import order controller for an admin. From this controller, I'm going to import the function that we have, fetch orders. After importing it, let me set up the route where we have a mapping, get URL that we have, slash. After that, we have the middleware, authenticate and JWT. After that, we have a middleware, authorize role, admin. After that, we have to call the function from order controller that we have, fetch orders. After setting an order route, let me open here app.js. So on the top, I'm going to import admin order route. After importing it, let me initialize this. So it will be a app.use. Inside this, first I'm going to define the prefix path that we have, /API/admin/order. And we have to navigate the request to a admin order route. Now you can see a flow of get orders endpoint. From this route, we are calling a function from order controller that we have, fetch orders. From this function, we are calling a function from order service that we have, get orders. And as you can see, the implementation of the get orders function. Now let's navigate to the Postman and let's test the API. So first I'm going to generate the JWT of an admin. Let me copy this token. Let's go to the second tab. As you can see, a path that we have, /API/admin/order mapping that we have get. Now let me add here the token. Let's click on the send button. As you can see, the status we got 200 OK. With the status, we are getting the API response. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.